suddenly we went from maybe 20 of these we were doing just for some family and friends to I think we are up to 800 or 700 or 1,000, whatever. We got a lot, and then every year we throw another 400 or 500 of these on. A whole bunch of pen and paper. We used to have log books and everybody write, and then they'd come in and they'd have to be rescribed to scheduling. You know, we had big whiteboards and papers going everywhere and big long sheets and ticking it off. And you know, human error just became such a big factor. You know, somebody would forget that this facility should have been, you know, tested this week, and somehow it got missed. And you know, it's not anybody's fault. We've got great employees, but that just happens, right? There's just too many balls up in the air. So it became pretty evident that we needed a better solution. You get a audit, so they come into our facility to make sure that we are doing what we say we do. But now suddenly through the technology, we can have a very easy database of where we've been, when was it serviced, those type of things. So much more readily information accessible in that regard.